All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough on the car wash. Got it all done, and it's my last day here, so give you a quick little rundown. So there's my transformer, and then it comes over here, hits my CT cabinet, got the meter on top, nipples between to my main switch, and then it goes up, LBs through the wall, and goes into my MDP on the inside. So in here, it's the equipment room. So we've got my MDP, got trough. So right around in here is where it comes through the wall and the feeders come in. Got a couple VFDs for the vacuum motors and my two 120 panels. Got my transformer, Comcast pipes, that PVC, big PVC pipe going down the wall. And then we've got all the car wash equipment stuff. Got an exhaust fan in the ceiling here. This is all the different stuff for the car wash equipment, tanks and all that. That's the trash pit. And through this door, up through there is a bathroom, office, and vestibule where we're not gonna worry about going up there. And then in here is the MCC. So this is pretty much the brains for the whole car wash. Everything is controlled by this. So, and back in the equipment room here, here's the rest of the stuff. Show you everything going through here. A lot of pumps and chemical boards and stuff like that. All the washing chemicals here. All the controllers and valves, dual motor compressor. That's the dryer for the compressor, and they got more chemicals and stuff. And then these conduits here, they go through the wall into a trough for the blowers and stuff. And then we're gonna walk through this door. We'll start at the exit of the tunnel and go backwards. So got all the blowers. There's 11 of them. Got these two motors here. And then all the disconnects for all the blowers and those two motors I just showed you. Everything comes into that trough and down to those switches there. And then it goes through the cable tray here. Everything goes through and it fans off where it goes. We got all these RGBW lights here. Those ran from the MCC. They light up at a certain time. Got top brush. And all these motors and stuff have motor rated switches and these weatherproof covers. That way it's got means to disconnect out here since the MCC is not line of sight. All these were fed with VFD cable. All these wraps and different brushes and stuff. And I've got this trough over here, has some stuff going through it for the digital cue over here. Got the grand entrance sign here. So it's got lights on it, it'll come on. Digital cue, so there'll be somebody standing here, you know, pushing buttons, whatever, as people are coming through, kind of monitoring. And of course there's e-stops and stuff. And then here we've got the two mat wash stations. And then over there we've got the point of sales. It's got 2 lanes, got the digital menu boards, the pay stations, and the gates. There's loops in the concrete, license plate reader cameras. There's 2 other cameras. Yeah, that's all it is. And they'll come through, right on through the wash. Yeah, that's it. And then, well, not quite it. We have the vacuums also, and we have the vacuum lights. Each one of these booms has a LED light on it, and they're all routed to the wall packs. Everything's lighted, ran to a lighting contactor, and the lighting contactor is operated by a switch under the desk in there. So yep, got her done. So we're on to the next job. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.